In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new board on Trello. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks and projects, so let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to log into Trello. Open up your browser and head over to the Trello homepage at trello.com. Once you arrive there, look for the Login button. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to sign in with your account credentials. If you're looking for a quicker method, you can also use your Google account for a faster login process. Just a couple of clicks, and you're in. Now that you've logged in, it's time to start the board creation process. There are a couple of ways you can do this. The first method is to navigate to the Board section on the left side of your Trello homepage. Here, you'll find an option to create a new board. If you prefer a quicker route, there's another option. Just look for the small plus sign right in your Board section. Click that, and it'll bring up the creation prompt in no time. Once you're in the creation prompt, it's time to give your board a name. Think of a descriptive name that clearly reflects the purpose of this board. Whether it's for a specific project, a planning board, or even just a to-do list, make sure it's something that will make sense to you and any team members you might be sharing it with. After naming your board, you'll need to choose a workspace. This step is crucial because it helps you organize where this board fits into your overall projects or teams. Select the appropriate workspace from the list provided. This ensures that your board is placed within the correct team or project hub, making it easier to manage. Next up, we have the visibility settings. It's important to choose who can see your board based on your needs. You can set it to private, which means only invited members will have access to it. If you want your team to be able to view it, select the Team Visible option. This allows anyone within your chosen workspace team to see the board's contents. If you're feeling a bit more open and would like to let anyone with the link access your board, you can choose the public setting. Just remember, with public visibility, anyone can view what you post. Now that you've set your board name, selected your workspace, and determined your visibility settings, you're almost there. Take a moment to review everything you've entered. If everything looks good, it's time to finalize your board. Click the Create button and voila, your new board is now ready for use. You can start adding lists and cards to help organize your tasks and projects effectively. Trello's intuitive interface makes it easy to drag and drop items, add deadlines, and collaborate with your team. So there you have it. You now know how to create a new board on Trello. Dive in and start organizing your projects like a pro. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful video tutorials.